I'm Dr. Emma Holloway, and as a doctor I'm committed to saving lives. But one night changed everything I thought I knew about life and death. It started with the disappearance of a body, my patient's body. I had just lost him on the operating table, and then, without warning, his body was gone from the morgue. Furious and confused, I began searching for answers. My search led me to a hidden lab beneath the hospital. That's where I found Dr. Marjorie Kane, a brilliant but reckless scientist. What she was doing down there was beyond comprehension. She wasn't just running tests. She was trying to capture the human soul. She believed she could isolate it, contain it, even transfer it. I couldn't believe it. This was madness. We are doctors, not gods. We heal. We don't play with life and death like this. But Kane was obsessed with her research. She said she could prove the soul existed and that it was the next frontier of medical science. My instincts told me to shut it down, to end this unethical horror. But there was a part of me that wondered, what if she's right? What if we're on the verge of something groundbreaking? As much as I hated it, I had to know the truth. In that instant, I realized we had crossed a line that should never be crossed. We weren't just doctors and scientists anymore. We were playing with forces we didn't fully understand. In a tense standoff, I watched as Dr. Kane pushed the limits of life and death. And in those final moments, we both saw something unexplainable. The line between science and faith blurred before my eyes. But in the end, we had crossed a boundary that maybe should never be crossed. I left that night questioning everything I once held true. Science and faith, life and death. The boundaries had blurred. But in the end, I knew one thing for certain. There are things we shouldn't try to control.